Yes, guys, how to make money online with ChatGPT. Let's go. Guys, listen. Um, ChatGPT is amazing. Anyone that knows about ChatGPT knows how amazing this resource is. You can ask ChatGPT anything. It's the best AI, give you an answer, tell you exactly how to make money, tell you exactly how to do something. It's just amazing, guys. You got to check it out. So if you don't know, check it out, guys. Check it out. So anyway, I'm on then right now. And so the question is how to make money online with ChatGPT, but you got to ask the right question, guys. So many people come on ChatGPT and they ask a question and it doesn't really make sense. You're only as good as the question that you ask, right, guys? You're only as good as the question that you ask to get the answer that you want. So I've used it for quite a long time. And you have to ask specific questions in a certain way. So in this case, obviously, I want to find out how to make money online and what are the best ways. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT, what are the best ways to make money online, right? Nice and simple, nice and clear, and it knows what I'm asking. Then I click submit at the bottom, click submit, and then it gives me answers. See, guys, what's interesting about ChatGPT? ChatGPT will not give you the exact same answer all the time. It will be slightly different because there's lots of answers, right? There's lots of correct answers. So it can mix it up sometimes. It's amazing. It's a bit like a human. It's a bit worrying. But this AI is crazy good. But guys, I've got other ChatGPT videos that I go through other things. So check it out up there in the playlist. And also check out some of the free softwares, or sorry, should I say free trial for the softwares that I use at the bottom. But let's come back to this, guys. Starting a blog, right? They put number one, start a blog, become a freelancer, create an online course, become an affiliate marketer, sell products on an e-commerce website, offer services on Fiverr. Guys, look, this is so mad because this is what I do. Create a membership site, become a virtual assistant, sell stock photos. Look, guys, I do a few of these, right? I've got a blog. I'm a freelancer. I create online courses. Affiliate marketing is what I do. I offer services on Fiverr. Now, Fiverr is basically a freelance platform where you can sell your services. So I do things like I might be selling like design. I might be selling my coaching because I've got an Amazon business. So I'll sell like coaching and consulting on that as well. So guys, I become a virtual assistant. It's amazing. Guys, it knows exactly how to make online, and it's so true. So what I would do is this. I mean, because look, these are all amazing ways. So for example, starting a blog is really good because what you do is you impart your knowledge, and then in there you can add things like AdSense, and then you can sell products through starting a blog. So starting a blog, if it's something you like to write, it's an amazing thing to do. And even if you don't like writing, but you can talk. So what you do, you speak it, and then you can put it through an AI tool where it changes your speech to text. Guys, you could do this. It's amazing. So for me, I think freelancing is a fantastic way of making some online money, because what it is, you're imparting your knowledge and you're talking about what it is you can do, and you're selling a service. So guys, check out my videos up on the playlist. Well, actually, check out my videos on my channel on Fiverr, because I talk about how to make money on Fiverr, low competition gigs, and how to get into Fiverr. So check that out as well, because that's a really good way of making money online. But yeah, look, they've actually specifically mentioned Fiverr. That's amazing. Now look at this. I just want to show you something, right? This is what I'm talking about. I'm going to delete all those answers because this is what's good about ChatGPT. It doesn't just give you one set of answers that you can use. It sometimes varies it. It's not exactly always the same. So remember what was there last time. Let me click submit again, right? Now, can you see what's happened? Have you noticed what's happened? Now, starting a blog was there, creating an online course was there, become a freelancer was there, virtual assistant business was there, drop shipping was not there, right? Drop shipping was not there. Become a social media manager was not there before. Creating an app was not there before. So what they've done is they've added some other ideas that you could do online. But yeah, they're excellent ideas too. They're amazing ideas, because becoming a social media manager is a fantastic thing to get into. And it's something that there's a huge demand for. So they know, ChatGPT knows what is good and what works. And this is what I'm talking about, guys. You have to ask the right question to ChatGPT. And then what I would do is personally, you can actually test what kind of what demand there is for a search term. So let's see how many people might be searching for becoming a social media manager. So I'm going to go to either TubeBuddy or vidIQ, and these two are my best go-to SEO softwares that I use to go and do a lot of research for my YouTube videos that I create, right? So if you're into YouTube videos, you got to get these two guys, vidIQ, TubeBuddy. Check out the free trial and below. But look at this, become a social media manager, click enter. Let's see what the search term on YouTube is. Look, right, the search term on YouTube, right? So how to become a social media manager, here you can see it there in blue, 13, almost 14,000, right? How to become a social media manager, almost 14,000 guys, here 13,598, sorry, to be exact. Low competition. So it's telling you guys that to be a social media manager, you can see good search volume, people are looking for this, and the competition is low. A lot of people search for it, but the competition is quite low, guys. So it's something to get into. But ChatGPT already figured all that out, and it already knew what is good and what works and what is there for today. So guys, and if you want to find out more about how to become a social media manager, then what I would do if I was you, I'd literally just type it up and put it in a YouTube video. So I would have a look, click, type it in, paste it in, sorry. And then look at this. It will show you videos that will go through exactly how to do it. Look, how to become social media manager, beginner's guide, no experience. And literally you can start off with, if you have knowledge of doing social media, or you like social media, or you know how to do and post social media, then you could actually become a social media manager, and then you can sell your services. So becoming a social media manager is an amazing way to make money online. That is one example from the ChatGPT bot, if you like. Now I'll also show you another way. And remember what I said, Fiverr is a platform for freelancers, right? Now this is an amazing platform which I sell my own services on there. And look at this, look at this guys, look at this, social, look at that. Look at that, guys. The first thing that people search for, social media manager. Look at the demand of that. Now I've just clicked on it now. Look at this. All these people, there's 48,000. There's actually a lot of services out there. Now imagine how many people actually want to use this, actually need this, guys. Look at this, guys. Oh my God. Look at this, guys. And the thing is, money is also fantastic. You can make a lot of money being a social media manager, guys. Look at this, £131. And this is just like to manage your social media. So if you're good at TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, whatever it is, guys, and you like managing it, or you like, and that is aside from creating. You could create content for people and manage it. And look at this, 131 as a starter. Now, don't forget, managing is a monthly thing. So you actually can get monthly income on a regular basis from your clients to manage their social media. Guys, this is a massive industry. So coming back to ChatGPT, they understand exactly what it is that you can do. And the thing is, you can keep getting more and more ideas and become more and more specific. Remember what I said about how it changes sometimes. Look at this. Guys, it might change again, it might not, but most likely something could be slightly different. Right? So again, they've said the same thing. Look at this. They've added something different. Become an Amazon FBA seller. Now, this is something that I do myself, and it is fantastic, guys. You can sell things on Amazon. You can get things from China, Alibaba, wherever it is, and you can sell it online on Amazon. Guys, check this out. This ChatGPT knows what they're talking about, guys. They know what they're talking about, guys. So it's amazing. But guys, like I said, check out my other videos on my channel where I talk about how to make money through Fiverr or create things on Canva and sell them online. And then check out the software that I use. You get you get a free trial on that. Guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, guys. And I shall see you on the next video.